Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Ahmad Syafuddin. Today, I will demonstrate a man in the middle sniffing attack. In this scenario, I acting as an ethical hacker to show how sensitive data, such as login information, can be captured in plain text when traversing an unencrypted HTTP channel. First, we open the Wireshark. I'm choose Wi-Fi because my PC are using Wi-Fi right now. We go to capture an option. I need to enable all the Prometheus mode in the capture option. It is because by default, a network can only process traffic intended for its own MAC address only. By enable all of this, I'm forcing the adapter to capture all the packet passing through the network regardless of the intended recipient. So I will start capturing. Right now, we go to the demo website. This is the demo website. So I will play the role of a user that insert all the username and the password. We click login. Alright. Next we go back to the Wireshark. Oh, before that, we open another browser. We sign up. We enter all the information. Sign up. Right. This is all the information that we entered just now. So we open back the Wireshark. We stop capturing. For the filter, we use this filter, right? Choose this. In this window, you can see uh, the user that enter their username and the password. Test and test. For this, the second sign for the sign up that user enter, we can see the username, password, account number, email address, phone number, address. This proves that any attacker on the same network could have intercept this predator effortlessly because they were sent in clear text. In real world scenario, an attacker could use this information for session impersonation or unauthorized account access. To prevent this, organization must enforce HTTPS instead of HTTP. If this site used encryption, Wireshark would only show scrambled encrypted instead of the actual password. This concludes my demonstration. That's all from me. Thank you.